Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at another one of our quality pre-owned vehicles from our large selection, and comes equipped with premium technology package, Ford Pass Connect, navigation, outside temperature display, roof rack, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, auto high beam headlamp control, heated door mirrors, Bang & Olufsen premium audio, leather heated and ventilated sport captain's chairs, and has less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Road in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.